In the last decade, we've witnessed some amazing celestial events, from rare total solar eclipses to breathtaking northern lights showcasing the universe's beauty. But soon we're set to experience something even more spectacular. Asteroid 99942 Apophis, named after the Egyptian god of chaos, is on its way. It will pass closer to Earth than many of our orbiting satellites, making it one of the rarest space events we'll ever witness. In this video, we'll explore what makes Apophis so unique and what this close encounter could mean for us here on Earth. So let's get started without further ado. Tracking a cosmic giant. Discovered in 2004, the asteroid Apophis quickly grabbed global attention as a potential threat to Earth. Initial calculations revealed a small probability that this near-Earth asteroid could collide with our planet in 2029. This discovery triggered an extensive global effort to study the asteroid. Over the years, telescopes and radar facilities worldwide have worked together, significantly enhancing our understanding of its trajectory. A critical turning point in the observation of Apophis came from radar measurements taken when the asteroid passed near Earth in 2013. These observations provided high-resolution data that refined its orbit, significantly lowering the probability of an Earth impact. The precise trajectory plotted from these data points revealed that Apophis would pass at a safe distance of about 32,000 kilometers, closer than the geostationary satellites that orbit Earth but without posing a direct threat. Further studies utilize techniques like optical light curves and thermal imaging to ascertain Apophis' size, shape, and rotational state. Current estimates put its diameter between 270 to 340 meters. Observations also suggested that Apophis has a bilobed or peanut-like shape, a common characteristic among larger asteroids. This form factor can influence the asteroid's spin state and how it interacts with solar radiation, affecting its long-term orbit through a phenomenon known as the Yarkovsky effect. Moreover, understanding this asteroid's surface composition and internal structure is crucial for assessing how its trajectory might change due to thermal forces and gravitational interactions with Earth. The upcoming 2029 flyby will provide an extraordinary opportunity to test predictions and refine our models further. Observatories worldwide are preparing for a campaign that will observe Apophis as it passes. The 2029 close approach. The anticipation builds as April 13, 2029, approaches, marking the date when Apophis will make its historic close approach to Earth. On that day, it will glide across the Earth's sky, briefly becoming one of the brightest objects in the night sky. Its proximity, closer than satellites that provide our global communications, makes this event a rare observational opportunity that occurs once in several lifetimes. For astronomers, it provides a real-world scenario to study the intricate details of an asteroid's surface composition and trajectory with precision. The significance of this close approach allows for the calibration of existing models of asteroid behavior under Earth's gravitational influence. Observations will help scientists understand how Apophis' orbit is affected by its close gravitational interaction with Earth, which might alter its trajectory and rotational state. This phenomenon, known as a gravitational keyhole, is crucial for predicting future orbits and potential impacts. Moreover, the 2029 approach will enable the deployment of a range of scientific experiments. Plans are underway to use radar installations across the globe to bounce signals off Apophis, creating detailed images of its surface down to a few meters in resolution. These observations could reveal features such as craters, boulders, and possibly even signs of very ancient collisions with other space debris. This event will also test our readiness for a potential future that requires asteroid deflection. Various space agencies are considering missions to rendezvous with or land on Apophis. These missions aim to test technology that could one day be used to divert an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. Beyond observation, as we gear up for the 2029 close approach of Apophis, this event also marks a critical juncture in planetary defense, a field dedicated to safeguarding Earth from potential asteroid impacts. It's a rehearsal for the broader strategies that encompass our planetary defense initiatives. As Apophis passes, the gravitational forces at play will offer real data, helping refine the orbital paths predicted for other potentially hazardous asteroids. This process is vital for identifying future impact risks and devising appropriate mitigation strategies. Moreover, the approach provides a practical framework for testing deflection technologies. Various concepts are under consideration, including the kinetic impactor technique, where a spacecraft is deliberately crashed into an asteroid to change its trajectory. Another method, the gravity tractor, involves a spacecraft flying alongside an asteroid, using its gravitational pull to alter the asteroid's path gradually. These technologies are not just theoretical, but could be demonstrated on Apophis or similar objects in the future. Agencies like NASA, ESA, and others are part of a global network monitoring asteroids. For instance, the International Asteroid Warning Network and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group are platforms that foster cooperation among spacefaring nations to ensure a coordinated response to potential asteroid threats. In the broader scientific community, missions to asteroids like NASA's OSIRIS-Rx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 have provided benchmarks for understanding the physical properties of near-Earth objects. These missions return samples from asteroids to Earth, offering unprecedented insights into their compositions and structures, a knowledge that is essential for any effective deflection strategy. Additionally, new projects are exploring innovative approaches to asteroid interaction. The Night Project, for instance, is investigating the feasibility of small satellite missions to near-Earth asteroids. These satellites could be launched quickly and cost-effectively, providing vital data on a wide range of asteroid characteristics. Such missions could pave the way for more agile and responsive strategies in planetary defense. In conclusion, the journey of Apophis from a potential threat to a cornerstone of asteroid science illustrates the progress we've made in understanding and managing our cosmic environment. As we look forward to the 2029 Close Encounter, it's clear that this event is not just about witnessing a rare astronomical occurrence. It's about actively preparing for the future, ensuring the safety of our planet while expanding our horizons into the universe. Thank you for joining us in exploring this fascinating celestial event. Stay curious, keep looking up, and join us next time as we uncover more mysteries of the cosmos.